get the... No, I got the...
Yep. No, I barely got any okra, sorry. There's a lot more to get.
Does Ross need help? Turned our planting to things that deer won't eat down there. So we have all of our hot peppers are growing down there, and our eggplant, they won't eat the eggplant, and our bell peppers, all our sweet peppers. So we have a lot of, we have to go over there every other day and water it and bring them over here, but it's a great extra space and that we're able to use. We're actually going to plant, I think, garlic down there this fall. I don't think the deer will mess with the garlic or the onions.
Turnip.
Rutabagas, those ones are rutabagas.
Rutabagas, do you make rutabaga pie?
Oh.
My grandma used to make rutabaga pie. It was good.
Yeah, they're pretty small, but...
Yeah.
They were good.
Yeah, we're about done. Like, we're fixing to harvest all the carrots and the turnips are about done.
So we still have more pumpkins and fall before that we want to get in the ground.
Yeah, we still got some stuff. See, this is pumpkin too. And then, you know, your pumpkins, they get huge, spread out, so.
Got any zucchini?
Yeah, that's in the other garden, over across the street there.
I love zucchini.
Yeah, we got.
Yeah, so this was our cold winter, and then as soon as the frost was over, we did our zucchini and yellow squash over at that house. And then we're doing the fall garden back over here.
Debbie's still working.
So like right here, we had potatoes, already harvested some.
Oh, nice.
I kind of harvest about once a week or so, just kind of as we need them, so they stay fresh.
Yeah.
So you see it's all grown up in weeds, but I'll get my tractor out here in a minute and we'll
plow them on up.
Just run down the row.
Yeah. And it just tills them right.
Yeah.
That's what we.
Is that how y'all used to do it too?
Yeah, we had a little Gravely walk behind tractor.
Oh, yeah.
And just plow them right on up. Potatoes are great. They're not hardly any work at all.
Yeah. And these guys haven't had any irrigation, so there's no water on them.
But yeah, we didn't.
So it looks weedy, but they're
Yeah, it looks like crap, but.
Yeah.
As long as it gets the job done.
Well, we're only doing it as we need them.
You're fixing to see how many potatoes come out on just one row. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows.
In this area.
Still here, and we'll get. What are you guys doing? We'll get some. At least a couple of good-sized tubs of potatoes out of one row.
One row, yeah. We had
Big gutters.
Yeah. We have a strawberry patch somewhere over at the old place we were trying to bring over here. So we have enough water from our
It's good, you just gotta water them.
here right now too at the same time. But now that is city water.
Did you just plant them? When do you usually get strawberries?
They were planted, these are everbearing, so like, see there's a flower there,
Yeah.
there.
So they keep going?
There's probably a few on.
Our fourth year, I think. This is our third year doing Baker's Barn baskets. And the first year we sold by the pound. And we said, we gotta do something else. So anyway, then the second year we did the Baker's Barn baskets. So this is our fourth year gardening. Yeah, because Willow was at home when Willow was born. I started staying at home, and that's whenever we started gardening, whenever I became a stay-at-home mom. So in these back rows, we have our okra.
Yeah, the 2 rows of okra here. We got melons and cantaloupe in this row here. And then this row over here, that's the yellow squash and zucchini. The second row there, there's some basil up in front. And then this one over here is mainly cucumbers.
Scallops.
Yeah, scallops, here, this kind of squash. Oh yeah,
So we have two
those
kinds
are
of
awesome.
okra. We have the red okra
They're
and
like
the green
cantaloupe.
okra.
Yeah, but man, they're delicious.
Yeah, banana
They're easy
melons
to
are
grow.
amazing. They're one of my favorite things.
Yeah, there's a little zucchini.
I found 2 Armenian. I found 2.
Yeah. So yeah, that's Armenian cucumber there.
That's my favorite kind of cucumber.
Really?
Yes.
I've never seen that kind of cucumber.
Yeah, they're so neat.
Careful.
One of our, every year we try to grow like new things, and that was one of our new things one year, and it was pretty cool.
Oh, wow.
They grow bigger than this.
Yeah, I don't know. I
Kinda-
got loofah gourds growing over here on the fence.
Take a picture.
Well, that's good.
We try to make use of our space as much as we can. So then we're experimenting too on the tree up front. Yeah, our birdhouse gourds, we're trying to grow them so that the boys wanted to trellis them up the tree and get them in. I don't know if they're getting enough light.
Yeah, that's right now.
And then we have a lot of herbs. Watch the holes.
Snoop eats all.
Basil. And then my zinnias are starting to grow. That was the hardest. Hey, Disa, why don't you give them a couple chairs up there and sit in the table and show them how to get our baskets? Disa, carry these chairs. Up here, back there for them. Yeah, it was hard making the flower beds in the house and setting me back on my flowers.
This is burgundy ochre. It's kind of red. We like it. Do that.
Okra is probably one of our least favorite things to pick because it's so darn itchy. It's crazy.
They'll actually perk up a little bit. Like these turnips, they'll actually probably perk up a little bit. Just being in that water.
A lot of people like the turnip greens, so whenever we put them in baskets, we try to keep as much of the good green on as we can. That way they can make turnip greens if they want. And then everything that we pull off, we put in baskets like this, our slop buckets, and that all gets fed to the animals. They take all of our scraps, every scrap to the animals, and they fight over it. Oh yeah, it's the fattest mini horse you'll ever see over there.
Yeah.
He's waiting at the gate right now because he knows what time it is. Yeah, he's waiting for the scraps. So that's pretty funny. We'll show you the other one. So we do three nights a week of orders. Of doing orders, and then we have 4 different places we travel to. So about once every 9 days is when we. I don't want to go to the same town more than once a week because I don't want to overwhelm people with too much produce. And a lot of people like to just tell me, bring me a basket every time you come to town. So we do about 3 nights a week. 3 nights a week we do orders.
I got the hiccups to where I can't talk to it.
We do El Reno and then Yukon. We divided Yukon up in 3 different ways. We do Surrey Hills, and then the middle of Yukon, and then south of Florida. And then we do Mustang and Piedmont as well.
Gotta go get some more.
Yeah. I got a bucket in the garage.
Yeah, go get the buckets in the garage. Well,
Mine's not that far for you guys.
it's usually banged up or looks silly. We'll keep it for ourselves and make dinner with it and stuff. We do a lot of butter and veggies. You guys like cucumbers?
I do like cucumbers. And squash. I like to saute squash.
Good. Oh wait, that one's yours next. Go get some more cucumbers.
So when you drop off, do they give you your baskets back?
Yeah, a lot of people do. So we get them at the Dollar Tree. We
Yeah.
buy them by the hundreds. So we tell them if they return their basket with their next order, we give them $1 off. So that's only $24 instead of $25. We try to put just enough in the bottom to cover them. Not too many. Look at some of these onions. Isn't that crazy?
That is huge.
Not a big onion. Beautiful. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. We did three colors of onions. We did the white onion, we did a yellow onion, and then we did our red onion. Those are really pretty too, our red onions. Yeah, they are big, and they had 0 irrigation on them. So for an Oklahoma, they did really well.
Yeah, because I don't feel like this spring was exceptionally wet.
No. Yeah. No, it wasn't. Yeah, those scallops, those are new. It's like a new grow this year. Yeah. We gotta keep them spring right. Oh, the water bottle? Because our compost pile, we get a lot of fun stuff from that too. Get you your flowers here. Hey, Willow. Hey, look at that. You want to look at the flowers? In the basket?
Sure, Dave said.
Oh my goodness.
To make butter or whatever.
Oh, that's right.
She makes little notes for everybody. Do what? Unhook this off.